Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Transsexual refers to individuals who undergo medical or surgical procedures, such as hormone therapy or surgery, to transition from their biological sex to the gender they identify with. Unlike transgender, which is a broader and more inclusive term, transsexual is more specific and sometimes considered outdated. Transsexual. 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 Transsexual.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.